This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very special haul and unboxing. Y'all, you read it right. Your girl got a Temu order. So the beautiful Priya K's nails let me know that Temu, I don't exactly know how you pronounce it, just became available in America and Canada. Y'all, this completely blew my mind. As soon as she told me, I ran over, but I was not expecting to find everything that I did. I was completely blown away. And this is just in the nail art section. There is so many different houseware, just like anything your heart's content, you can find on here. And the quality is insane. So with this opening, this Canada opening, like grand opening sale, they had things up to 99% off. It was insane. I'm going to use that word a lot because it blew my mind. So there is complete free returns, free shipping, y'all. It's free standard shipping. So if you want express, you have to pay for that. But they also have a guaranteed time slot. So if your product does not come within like that time slot, that day or when it arrives, you can get like within 48 hours, if you alert them, you get a $5 credit. And if you pay for express shipping and it is late, you get a $13 credit. Like it is insane. I've never seen a company that has like money back guarantee like that. And I'm just going to be talking about them as we go through this beautiful haul. In the beginning, what we started off with was actually ring molds and silicone molds, all for resin or different. I'm going to use nail magic, but I do want to get into resin pouring and things of that nature. So I picked up a few goodies, but the rest is all nail magic. So I wanted to talk to you about my experience as a first-time Temu customer. I was blown away. So first of all, the website is very user-friendly and everything, including the description of all of the products, is amazing. They also have subcategories for some of the products you select, so you can get them in different colors. Oh, these are stickers! I had to get stickers. There was one that was gothic and one that was pastel goth that I could not pass up. I wanted to use these for when I receive packages or when I purchase a nail haul, and just to take out my address. But some of these stickers were so darling that they're probably going to end up being made into palettes and stuff because they're just too beautiful to use on a sticker that I'm going to throw a package out, you know? So last, what I got them for, I'm not going to be able to use them for. I'm going to end up using them for scrapbooking and art and all of the magic. Maybe a few of them will end up on packages, but they're just too good for that. I also, before I continue gushing about Temu, I was blown away, y'all. When I looked at this, I saw all these different sticker packs, but I thought I was only selecting one. I didn't think I was going to get all of these. So this was for under $2. So that's just an indicator for you. And these are the same quality stickers that I'd be getting if I went to Toronto Nail and Beauty or any of those shops. So I am ridiculously impressed. So first of all, I'm just going to say, like, this is not, and I'm not putting any shade to anything, but this is not dollar store products. Like, this is a very pristine quality. So when you say like online versus reality, well, this time the reality is just as good as what we saw online. So there is no letdown for the customer when they receive their products, because I'm not going to lie, I've seen things on different websites and I've selected it being so very excited, and what I get is nothing like the picture or like the description. They go down to the centimeters or inches of the product, so you can have an idea of what you're getting. Like, for all of the silicone molds that I purchased. It let me know down to centimeters and inches, so I wasn't purchasing something with the mind frame that I could use it, and then you get something so inflated or so tiny. Also, this sticker package to me was like the quality of red iguana. I was freaking out over this, and I wish I got more. So this was like a way for me to kind of dip my toe in the water, so to speak, and see if I was going to like the products. But like is not the word I love, so I'm definitely going to be doing more hauls. This actually was a cosmetic palette that can fit on your ring finger or your pointer finger when you're doing your makeup. But I just thought, hey, polygel, polishes, I think this will work. So I had to grab it. I made this order on March 5th. And because it was standard delivery, I was totally prepared for it to take some time. But it was delivered March 16th, which I was ridiculously happy with. Again, like a lot of stuff you purchase, especially coming all the way from China, there's huge shipping costs, you have to deal with duties, it's just a whole lot, and I did not have any issues, including the fact that when it reached my hometown, I got a text message and an email saying that it would be out for delivery shortly, so I was incredibly happy with that. Ooh, these are some gorgeous foils I found under Y2K and a gradient stamper. But honestly, through and through, I will be doing a lot of Temu orders. I think this is the perfect way for nail art supplies, y'all. Like little things like charms and stickers. And, you know, there's so many things that goes into creating a nail set. And this has your nail art covered, whether that be, you know, down to carving gel, y'all. Like there's so many things. They have builder gels. Like I barely scratched the surface on this order. There is so many more things that you can get. So all in all, it took 11 days to arrive with free shipping. I had no issue with duties. In Canada, the grand opening sale, which is still going on right now, there's up to 99% off. The savings are insane, especially for artists, nail techs that are just beginning. This is the perfect way to add crucial items that you'll be using on your day-to-day as an artist for a very fair price. And again, for somebody like myself that's on a fixed income, this is game changing. This is allowing me to try so many different products, and this entire haul was under 70 Canadian dollars, which would be roughly like maybe 45 US dollars or 50 US dollars. So that's very drastic that you could get so many things, you know, silicone molds, resin molds, stickers, foils, tools, gradient brushes, charms, like the list goes on for under, you know, 50 US dollars. That's unheard of. So I think this is an amazing way to not only increase your versatility and your products, but a really amazing way to try things that you might not be able to try. And all of these charms, y'all, I did not know they were only going to be one piece. So the next time I order, I'm going to be getting multiples of those. But I really did love for the charms, for anything like that, especially that was one piece. It gave you a cascade of options of different colors and different shapes. And it was just so vast. Like, I am probably all over the place in this video because I was just blown away. And upon unraveling it, I felt like a kid on Christmas. Like if you think about stocking stuffers, this is definitely a nail tech's stocking stuffer dream. And again, these are so affordable and amazing quality. You see, like some of the products were 50 cents, $1. So I was kind of concerned. I'm like, when it does come in, like it might not be something I even want to put on my own hands. Scratch that. Nope. Everything came in so lovely. I wanted to use everything. And even this was under $2. And this is cotton pads. So there's an endless supply of nail goodies that you can get for incredibly low prices. If there's anything that you saw me unbox today that you would like to see in a future video like ASAP, just comment down below because I would love to hear. I think most of all, I'm really excited to play with the 4D carving gel. I think that that's going to be incredibly exciting. There was such a large range of colors, and personally, it made it incredibly affordable with each pot being under $1.50. So I could get the entire thing for under $15. So I was very impressed with that. So I'm going to try to carve some roses. And this is actually a pendant maker for necklaces. So again, like I want to try to do different things, like not only just with resin, but with nail products and really see what I can create. I haven't used a lot of molds and things like that. So I'm very excited. I'm also new to the bling world. I have already popped my bling virginity a bunch of times, but I'm getting way more comfortable with bling, which meant I wanted to have some clusters. Does this not look like the Titanic? Like the heart of the ocean? You know me, I was picking all the iridescent magic. And if you guys have seen, these little flowers are going viral. But Temu takes it up a whole nother level. So a lot of the time I've been seeing people use caviar beads. So they not only supply you with gold and silver caviar beads, but they also have bling in there. I was actually shook when I saw it shining. I was like, wait a minute, I gotta look closer. Is that really bling? So you put that in the center of the flowers, and the flowers range in different sizes, but I am so blown away with the nail art goodies. The quality is just impeccable. I am so excited to use all of the magic. And I had to give a little bag a shake just to make sure I took out all of the goodies. It felt like the Mary Poppins bag, y'all. For how much I spent, I was not expecting to get all of this, even though I clicked the things. That's another thing. Like when I was going through Temu, I actually just did like a wish list, just clicking random things that looked good to me. And I thought I was going to have to take off like half the order. And when I looked at the order and it was under $70, I was like, what? So I'm in love, and I'm most definitely going to be getting another one of these hauls. Probably not until I move, but just knowing that this is an option, it's really a huge game changer, especially for myself with chronic pain. Sometimes I can't get out to, local malls and things of that, so I was just very much impressed. Also, my little gothic heart. Hey, these stickers are everything. As soon as I saw these, I was like, great. I like these even more than the pastel goth ones, and I want to make all of the palettes. Like, how pretty is she, right? Pinup princess. And see that one I was about to put down. I was like, wait a minute. This is like my life quote, Be the best human you can be. And just, I don't know who's watching, so I didn't want to cuss there, but how stinking precious are these? Oh, I am so obsessed. And now that I know that this magical Temu is a thing, I am most definitely going to be searching and making up a little wish list for the next time. Now, because a lot of these sales are flash sales, I actually recently just did like a wish list, and about 10 of those things are already out of my cart due to the fact that they have sold out. So I would encourage you, if you are making a wish list or a list, that you do check out within a reasonable amount of time, because a lot of these products are selling out very quickly, and it's just sheer to the flash sale for things being up to 99% off. It's you don't need much convincing. We already know how much these things can set us back. So the fact that it is for an affordable price and such great quality, it is literally going like hotcakes. But I would suggest, even if you are somebody like myself with a small budget, head over there, because you will be thoroughly surprised for what you can get bang for buck. And as you see again, for under $50 US, look at all of this magic. I am so tickled. The rainbow. Thank you so much for watching this whole video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you enjoy these types of videos, please let me know in the comments down below. You guys are my family, and I love you oh so much. And I pray this video found you so well. And I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Mwah. And remember, do all things with love. Thank you for watching.